Welcome everyone to EzQT platform. EzQT is a simple and efficient trading software that offers users swift trade and easy profits. Especially in its quantitative trading functionality, users can utilize indicators and strategies for back-testing and simulation. Moreover, in the market, the demand for advisors surpasses the brokers. First, let me briefly introduce the software interface. On the left-hand side, we can see Market Watch. It is a function which used to observe many symbols quotations such as bid, ask, spread and price change percentage, etc. In the middle, we can see the main chart. Users can make market entry decisions by analyzing charts. EzQT provide two types of charts: the standard chart with the flexible time frame and the daily chart with the fixed time frame. On the right-hand side, we can see depth. It is the function which display the bid and ask price for a specific instrument in a multi-layer manner that is closest to the market's current best price. This area called Trading Box. It contains all your trading account information such as your balance, equity, margin, free margin, margin level and your P&L. There are 5 more tabs laying below. Trade. It is where you can see all your current position. Order and deal return. It is where you can see your pending order. Automatic trading. It is where you can see all your position related with automatic trading function. Account balance. It is where you can see all your account information. Log is where you can see all your account's activities log. Next, I will briefly demonstrate the several important features of EzQT. The first one is the quantitative trading function. It is the function which users can develop their strategy. In terms of strategy, EzQT shares multiple code writing methods. One is the write code feature and another one is low code feature. So, what is the difference between these code writing methods? User without knowledges or skills in coding can also develop their own strategies by using low-code feature. The system has developed a drag-and-drop function cards which are more convenient for users to create a strategy without any coding skills required. Furthermore, for users with a certain level of proficiency in power language coding, they can develop a trading programs using the write code feature. With the assistance of the standard free version of ChatGPT, users can attempt to develop complete strategies. The built-in ChatGPT interface in EzQT makes the writing process more convenient. Remember, the ChatGPT in EzQT requires prior application for a paid API to activate. However, despite having ChatGPT assistance in coding, it still requires sufficient knowledge to develop executable strategies. AI can only assist us in auxiliary writing of strategies, and it takes step-by-step modifications to achieve correct execution. Here I will simply use low code to write and demonstrate the strategies of KD Golden Cross buying and selling. Let me try to create a KD trade strategy using the stochastic indicator. With this specific indicator, I will use K-line and D-line cross above and below each other in order to execute the buying and selling condition. I'm now connecting the cross above condition card to the buy execution card and the cross below condition card to the sell execution card. This means that, when the current price crosses, the buy and sell action will be executed. Then I'm dragging the strategy card of K-line value and D-line value into condition cards. Remember, each indicator using different parameter. So, we have to input each parameter name and value. Then I drag the input parameter value cards into the strategy card. After pressing compile, the corresponding program code will appear. That is a complete simple condition of buying and selling strategy. Next, let's talk about the multi-symbol back testing feature. The low-code strategy which has just developed will utilize this feature to quickly identify the suitable markets for this strategy. Now, let's take a look how the function works. On the dashboard, you can see the overview of strategy result, but let's take a look closer. Through this function, we can quickly check the performance of this KD strategy in different markets. Then, by sorting on the profit factor column, we can find the trading symbols that is best suit with this strategy. On the right-hand side, you can see two buttons. With the trading signal result, you can see the entry and exit signal provided from the strategy we chose. The report result, you can see the overall statistic result and the performance overview of the strategy, such as the win rate, net PNL, profit factor, max loss, etc. You can also see the equity curve and max loss graph, the trade details, monthly analysis, and yearly analysis based on the strategy. However, if you see the result is not good enough for you, you can try to combine multiple strategies together. For example, I try to combine using the moving average with the MACD strategy. So, you can clearly see that the statistics have changed. You can try to change it around to fit your trading style and decide which one is reliable for you. After finding the suitable one, we can also apply it on the automatic trading function in order for system to use this strategy to auto trade for you. Finally, let's talk about condition filter. This function can help you quickly find products that meet your trading conditions. Sometimes, traders struggle at finding market entry point and they usually looking for the best condition. So, EzQT has developed this function, which one of the best ways to help you make decision before entering the market. Here is an example. Let's say, I want to find any markets with short conditions. I will choose short, then I will choose one of these. Now, let's get B band overbought as an example. As long as the conditions are met, it will list them down. After finding the trading symbol that suits us, we can use another feature of EzQT to help us easily solve the trading problem. It is the chart order function. When we are analyzing chart, we frequently need to draw the trend lines in order to identify the market trend. Whenever the trend line break, most traders would like to enter the market based on the breakout strategy. So, this drawing function can let you make market execution more easily based on the line. When started trading, we just need to double-click on the trend line, then go to tab trading. Enable the trading option, then choose the condition. I choose cross below. So, when the price falls below the trend line, a short order will be opened, which means that when the K-bar crosses the line I drew, EzQT will activate the sell order for one lot size at the current crossing price. Alright, throughout the several trading functions of EzQT explained above, we can make trading easy and simple. I hope that today's demonstration can make you understand and more interested in EzQT. Thank you for watching patiently.